Construction delays are situations where a project is completed later than the expected time, causing disruptions in the timeline of the project. In such cases, the contractor may be entitled to an extension of time (EOT) to complete the project. An EOT is granted when the delay is not the fault of the contractor. Liquidated damages (LAD) are a pre-agreed sum of money that parties to a contract agree to pay in case of breach of contract, such as failing to complete the project on time. In accordance with Clause 43.0 of the PWD, the contractor is required to provide written notice to the S.O. along with proper evidence and supporting documents in the event of a delay that may necessitate an extension of time. The S.O. will then review the situation and determine if an extension of time is warranted. On the other hand, under PAM Clause 22.1, the contractor may face liability for paying liquidated damages at a predetermined rate if the project is not completed by the agreed-upon date. If the contractor believes they are entitled to an extension of time, as stipulated in PAM Clause 23.0, they must formally submit a written letter to the architect with supporting documents outlining their intent to claim an extension of time (EOT). The contractor must submit the required document within 28 days. Failure to do so will result in the rejection of his application for an extension of time (EOT). According to Clause 24.1 in CIDB, an extension of time may be granted if the contractor has taken all necessary measures to avoid delays, with exceptions for force majeure and adverse weather conditions. Under Clause 26.2 regarding damages for non-completion, a deduction based on the liquidated and ascertained damages (LAD) rate specified in the appendix will be made from the total cost for every day past the completion date, until practical completion is achieved. Effective communication is crucial in any construction project, especially when unexpected challenges arise. In the case of the new government office building being constructed by XYZ Builders for the PWD, the contractor promptly notified the PWD about the delay caused by unforeseen soil conditions during the excavation phase. By notifying the client in a timely manner and requesting an extension of time to accommodate the unforeseen circumstances, XYZ Builders demonstrated their commitment to transparency and collaboration. This proactive approach allows both parties to work together to find solutions and mitigate the impact of the delay on the project timeline. By following a structured process and engaging in open negotiations, the PWD and XYZ Builders can navigate through the challenges and ensure the successful completion of the project. The project involves demolition of certain sections, structural modifications, and interior refurbishment. The contract includes a clause on liquidated and ascertained damages (LAD), specifying the amount payable by the contractor in case of delays in project completion. The contract between the PWD and XYZ Construction Company includes a clause on liquidated and ascertained damages (LAD), which specifies the amount payable by the contractor for each day of delay beyond the agreed-upon completion date. The LAD clause is intended to provide the PWD with compensation for the losses incurred due to project delays. Following negotiations, XYZ Construction Company agrees to pay the liquidated damages as stipulated in the contract. The PWD issues an invoice for the calculated amount, and the contractor makes the necessary payment within the specified timeframe.